So I just moved into a new place and I have a small bedroom with a queen size bed. So I thought I'd do like a video basically like setting up my room and, you know, just trying to figure out how to make it still look good. Still make it look good and have like some type of space, even though it's a small room with a big bed, because, you know, I gotta have room for filming too, and I just like space. So I showed you some before footage of how it looked when first moving in, getting unpacked. So you see the mess. Just moved into a new place, have this tiny room with a huge queen size bed. So I need to get the room set up and figure out how we're going to set up and make room in this tiny room. Started getting the closet together, so most of this stuff will probably be in the closet because yeah, there's not enough space out here. So most of everything we're trying to fit into the closet, because I also have to have room for filming. I could probably film in other parts of the house too, but I also would like to be able to film in my room. So we're gonna try to figure this out. Would be great if I had like a smaller bed, but this is a queen size bed and this room is tiny. So this is where we're at so far. And we had a little bit of technical difficulties and setbacks because, for one, I'm waiting for the washer and dryer to be connected so that I can wash my bedding to get my bed set up or made up. So there's an issue with getting the dryer connected. I'm going to have to wait for that. And then one of the shelves fell in my closet, a shelf that I had clothes hanging. Trying to figure out what to do with the clothes and stuff, trying to make it work. Okay, it's been days later. This is what we got done so far. So I moved the bed over here because I feel like it gives me more space in this area. And yeah, I ended up setting up my shelves over here. So this area is going to be like my beauty area. I ended up, instead of installing them into the wall, I'm using these bins. So I think that kind of works. And then that way, if I ever decided to move them to a different spot, I could. But I think for now I'm going to leave them like this. The only thing is I don't like these drawers being blue, but maybe get some more black ones eventually, or paint them, I don't know. And then yeah, so I think I got like a lot of stuff cleared up, though, even though it still looks a mess. But pretty much got the closet together. I mean, it's packed, but making it work so I can put my clothes in here. And, you know, I got like a lot of shoe boxes, and, you know, and there's just some stuff. My camera lights, those are the umbrella lights. And, you know, I'm just gonna put some clothes and stuff, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, oh yeah, I did show that shelf fell. Yeah, we didn't fix that yet. Hopefully no more shelves fall, because that will suck. Yeah, so right now it's pretty much just getting the rest of the room cleaned up and everything put away, and kind of getting everything like organized to how we want it to go.
In the city where you gotta be so thorough. Shit, I'm riding in the whip, I forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget about the world. In the city where you gotta be so thorough. When I'm riding in the whip, I just forget about the world. In the city where you gotta be so thorough. Shit, I'm riding in the whip, I forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in the whip, I just forget.
So I'm about to spray paint all this stuff right here. So these are the drawers that were holding up the shelf to my vanity area. So yeah, I think I said that I didn't like these being blue because it makes it look more like, I don't know, it just bothers me. It looks more, I don't know, tacky, and like there's too much going on, you know. It would look, I don't know, I feel like it already is kind of tacky enough as it is that I'm using these like drawers and stuff to hold it up. But I feel like it would look better and somewhat nice if they were just all black, you know, almost like it would look more like it's supposed to be that way. But when you got like different colors, like these bright blue, they just don't go. Bluish, green, turquoise, whatever they are, teal, I think they're teal. But yeah, and then I have the matching basket, but I also have a black basket that I'm using. So again, it needs to just all be black so it all matches. This stool, I spray painted this black a long time ago, but it needs to be touched up. And and then those are like just some pieces to my poster frames, like the gold. Those are the frames that my Tupac and Aaliyah poster was in. I'd rather just get new frames that are black, that look nicer. But I thought, since we're spray painting, why not just spray paint them all black? I got some spray paints from a long time ago when I spray painted furniture in my room. Ew, is that an ant? Get out of here. Right now, we're just gonna spray paint everything black. So I have a whole, it's the glossy kind though. I'd rather it not be the glossy kind because I don't think the other drawers are glossy. They're like a matte plastic, but that's all I have, so it's whatever. As long as it's black, that's all that matters. This one I think is a brand new one that I haven't even used yet. So yeah, let's get to painting.
Sex on the beach when we out in Daytona. Gotta be a stoner, smoke box, lay over. Them boys ain't real, only thought when not sober. Rita kept it down, never change over. Even for a meal, I would never change over. That I would change. Spend a few thousand change. Leg on my cousins and change.
Okay, I gotta wait for everything to dry. Only thing is, this glossy black spray paint takes forever to dry though.
Ain't no point in me staying, so I leave soon as she pass out. I mean, she probably think it in cash down. I mean, she gon' go crazy, no barrels out. Man, watch what you say, I got time now. I'm a down, it ain't nothing to whack, y'all. I ain't violent, so fuck it, my nigga will do it. I'm in the cut on the floor, tight with the money, not George. But she did some tricks, so I threw it. Go hard on the track like I'm racing the track. Need the verse by the stash, see I doubt and I tax. And the dishes me nothing, see, yeah, that's a fact. And you call and say sorry, ain't tryna hear that. I go hard like the blue pill in my system. See if I shoot, won't miss him. After she clean me up, she kiss him. Where he at, see the lame can't miss him. Gold chain, see the lit like Christmas. Cool with it, but she still my victim. Money on me, so I might buy this one. I'ma go hard, so the money coming, so instant. I'm going hard like I just got out of coma. Weed out here in Florida, but we smoke on California.
Alright, so we're kind of almost done, but I just gotta put these drawers back on these shelves and kind of like organize this area, put the light bulbs in. Alright, so I just got a new mirror from Walmart. And it comes with these hook things that you can easily put it up over your door, or, you know, I don't know, or I might just have it sitting in the corner. I don't know yet, we'll see. And then just hang up pictures. And here's the after.
Who got the keys? Got the keys to my Beamer. Simma. Who got the keys? Got the keys to my Beamer. Niggas and Beamers.
So yeah, basically moving the bed over to this side kind of gave a little bit more floor space over here, because the room is a little more of a rectangular shape, so it's like longer from this wall to that wall. So if you put the bed like coming like this, then you have more floor space. So yeah, a huge queen size bed takes up about half the room. I mean, this is not too bad compared to what my last room was. So yeah, nice big window, got a lot of good natural daylight. So I put my desk over here. You don't gotta see everything that's over here. You know, I got my CDs. Like, I just tried to make much space as possible. I tried to fit as much as I can in the closet. So I'm not going to show you the closet right now. I mean, I did show it before, but you get out, so you already have an idea. Oh yeah, and if you follow me for a while, you know that I love purple. So yeah, my main color scheme or whatever is purple, or like accents of purple. So I like purple pillows, curtains. But yeah, I like the purple with gray and silver with black color scheme. So yeah, I just got this mirror from Walmart. It has a nice silvery frame. Yeah, that's Coda's bed, so I just have it over here in this corner right now for try to have it out of the way. You know, got my tripods, my camera. Yeah, there ain't really nothing special over here. Right here is just basically my TV stuff. I don't have a TV anymore because it broke, so I just need to get a new TV. Yeah, so I got my PlayStations, you know, I be gaming. I didn't get a PS4 yet, but a PS5 is about to come out. But anyways, I gotta get a TV, so eventually I'll have a TV. So just pretend that there's like a nice TV over here, because that's probably where it would be at. My Minnie Mouse ears and, you know, my ring light. Okay, so over here is my vanity area now. So I really like this. I like it compared to what I used to have. I still have a lot of the same stuff. I had these shelves before, but I had them up higher on the wall, but I decided to use it as like my vanity. And then these are the drawers I spray painted, these two on the end, and the stool. Got my makeup and stuff over here. Got the Aaliyah collection vault box. I set it up over here, and you know, kind of right next to the Aaliyah poster. The frames on this were gold, and on the Tupac poster I spray painted those so that they would match more with the frames of those posters. Yeah, I got my lights installed. Oh, I got my fancy lip gloss collection, gloss bomb collection, you know, some perfumes and some more stuff. And it's a little bit of my DVD collection, my Disney animated movies that I collect, like all like the classic animated films. That's like most of them. I think that's pretty much almost all the Disney DVDs I have. But most of my DVDs are in a box in a closet because I can't fit them all out here right now. And then, you know, my books, Harry Potter, The Hunger Games, Sister Soldier, The Coldest Winter Ever. These are really good. San Andreas, Aaliyah CDs, my Tupac poster. Yep, and that's pretty much it. And my keyboard is over there, but yeah, so I feel like basically I try to fit as much as I could in the closet so that so I can have more space out here. So yeah, basically I just need to get my TV, you know, be all good, you know, because I want to do some gaming videos. If anybody wants to buy me a TV, my Cash App is SeanaSparkle. Just kidding. No, unless you really want to, but you know. What are you growling at? Did you just growl? Did you just growl? What did you growl at? I just touched something over here. What? Oh, okay, I think. Get in your bed. Get in your bed. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I still got my iced coffee. All the ice melted. Right, Coda? That's it for this video. That's the small bedroom setup. Yeah, so I would just say if you have a small bedroom with a huge size bed, if you're fortunate to have a bedroom that has a good sized closet, just try to fit as much in the closet as you can, like extra, like small pieces of furniture that can fit in the closet. Yeah, just pack as much as you can in the closet and have less. I don't know, if you're a person that has a lot of stuff like me, then yeah, just fit as much as you can in the closet. What? Hey. You come in? Alright, yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed my small bedroom makeover setup. I don't know what you call it, room tour, whatever type of videos. Room transformation, room tour, makeover, setup, organizing small space or something. Organizing, clean with me, set up with me, small space. Ooh, it's bright. But yeah, so, ooh, helicopter. So give this video a thumbs up, and yep, I'll be back with some more videos. Bye. Peace.
Dream about me. Do you dream about me? dream about me? And if you had to do it, would you scheme about me? Do you even think or even see about me? I've been wondering for quite some time what those thoughts that are running in your mind, because I know that you must think about me, and I just wonder, do you dream about me? Do you still think about me, still think about me? Do you ever dream about me, ever dream about me? Do you ever think about me, do you ever think about me? Do you ever dream about me, ever dream about me? Now you left gone where the rest gone. Had a bad day, an unpleasant one. Why the last one gotta be the last one? She got a bad attitude, ain't nothing fun. Now you finally won, but I'm long gone. Like a home run, wanted me to run home.